Hey friends, if the printer is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, I'll guide you through the working solutions. First of all, right click on the start button, select settings, go to the Bluetooth and devices tab, go to printers and scanners and re-add your device. If it already exists, then remove it and then re-add it. Okay, click on add printer, find your printer and select add device. Now, if this does not help, then go and search for the printer drivers online. Okay, you do not need to search for it on your system or update the system once. Go to its website and download and install it. I mean, don't not these Canon ones, depending upon the model and make and model of your printer. You do not need to run the setup. The setup should be from settings itself, but just download and install the drivers. These are the only two main working solutions. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.